I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
Hi beautiful, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for following my journey. Today I'm going to be showing you this very simple and quick way to install a U-part wig. This literally took me less than 5 minutes, and everything you see in this video is not sped up, it's in real time. So here I just wanted to show you guys how the wig is constructed. It did come with combs and clips already, but I did add 2 more clips just so that it can be more secure, and I also manipulated the back so that it could be adjusted to my head size. And you guys can do the same thing on your U-part wigs. It's very simple and easy, and pretty much all U-part wigs come this way, but I just wanted to show you guys the construction of this wig. I did straighten my hair. Well, I blew it out a little bit because I did have another style in, and all I needed to do was just make my hair blend in with this particular wig. And so here I am just straightening my hair. And please forgive me that the video kind of looks kind of bright because I was recording on my daughter's iPad because my camera and my phone died. So this is the only source I had to actually record at this moment, and I had to get everything out while my kids were, you know, playing and enjoying themselves, because otherwise, if I would have waited for all my other devices to get charged, I would not have been able to record. So yeah. And also, you guys, I will be wearing this shirt in like 3 or 4 different videos I'll be posting this week, because I created 4 videos in the same day. I was really busy that day and I had a lot to get done, so I just took advantage of the time that I had. But back to the video. This hair is really pretty. It matched my hair so perfectly. I love it. Love everything about this wig, and the density, the luster on the hair, and how beautiful it is. Now, I didn't take much to make the hair blend, and as you can see here, it's just looking so natural. Like, I was surprised at how beautiful it was. I will say, if you are going to do a U-part wig, make sure your hair is flat underneath, because otherwise it will be bunched up and it would not look right, and it's going to look very lumpy. So make sure that you get your hair braided underneath. I decided to do some flat twists and to make my hair lay down so that it could be a very flat install, and I just made sure that I had the middle section out, and so that it was very easy for me to put on. So this video literally took me less than 5 minutes, and I was a little disappointed it wasn't a little longer. I'm like, why is this video so short? But anyways, I think short videos are cool. And this just shows you guys how quick and easy it is to do your hair. Like, I know we all look for simple and easy styles, and this is one of those styles where it literally doesn't take any time to do, and you can appreciate, you know, having to be able to do your hair and get out the house very quick and easy. So all you need to do is do your makeup or whatever, and, you know, just put the U-part wig on. So my daughter wasn't having it at this point, and my time was up. So here I'm just fixing my hair, and this is the final results, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. So thank you guys so much today for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's always a pleasure. I'll see you next time. Bye.